In today's video, I'll show you how to install the Bodyguard menu mod in GTA 5 and spawn AI bodyguards to protect and follow you in the game. Check my video description for these mods download link. Right click on script to V and select WinRAR and select open within drawer. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open bin. Select script to V and input a.dll, drag and drop inside of a game folder. And then go back, open this bodybuilder mod and of these two files inside of a game folder. Once you done this, open OpenIV. If it doesn't have OpenIV installed in your PC, then check my video description for this tutorial video on how to install OpenIV for GTA 5. Once installed done, open update.rpf, x64, textures, script underscore txds.rpf, then drop this shop UI, select edit mode and select yes option, drag and drop inside. Once you done this, close stuff here and launch the game. Once you are in game, press F8 to open up this main menu. You turn on the num lock in the numpad. To choose option, press 2 and 8 key in the numpad. To select option, press 5 key in the numpad. To go back, press the 0 key in the numpad. Go to spawn and choose the male or female that you want to spawn. Then go back and go to weapons. Queue current weapon, queue to all. Whatever weapon you have, they have the same. Now close this all up. If you shoot somebody else, they also help you. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.